Hi everybody, it's Vanquished Angel here with another a little tech tip almost. So Flash is oftentimes a problem in Linux because Adobe Flash supports Linux and then it stops, and then it supports Linux and then it stops, and it's just not something that's constant all the time. And so us in the Linux land have gotten used to this, and we've developed several ways around it. One of which is you can install the Google Chrome browser, because Google makes their own Flash, which is Pepper Flash. However, for other browsers, or if you don't want to install it, there is other options. There is the Flash plugin here, and then there's the Flash plugin installer here. There's also another option. This is the one I use, which is the browser plugin FlashPlayer. This one uses the interface for Pepper Flash, so you can use Pepper Flash in Firefox or a few other browsers that are made. Any browser with the old plugin interface. So that is how you get Flash on Linux, and enjoy your videos. Have a good day.